Let's go. Yeah, and then the rest clips off. So the rest of this now clips up. Yeah, you lift it and it comes down. There you go. So and then where is it after that? Oh, there it is. You think we could take this off? Yeah, let's just do this side then. This is like consistent. Yeah. And then we'll just do the other stuff, so we don't have to record all of it. Yeah, there you go. That's how you pretty much get to this side, which is right here. You just gotta remove this side. It's just a one bolt right here, and then it just clips. Yeah, it just clips on right here, and it clips on right here. You just gotta pull it up once you take off this 10mm right there, and you're chilling. like legit, like, cause you gotta lift it a little bit. I literally went click and it just popped out.
Yeah, that's great, Salim.
Bitch ass.
What do you have to say for explain the situation, as Mukhamed would say?
I'm just fucking tired of this shit. But honestly, I will say this. From all the cars that we've worked probably him personally, my personally alone, and together, this has been the easiest fucking car we've ever been working on.
Literally everything just popped out.
Just couldn't be any more of a bolt-on car. That's why, like, literally my face is right here. You're going down with like.
I got you.
Easiest car. For example, Roman's car, we have to move the exhaust system.
Roman's car is an AMG, bro.
It's an E55.
It has an excuse.
This is a reason why people love Civics and Accords. The bolt-on is an understatement of how easy it is to like work on these cars.
On the wheel. I noticed a big problem. I noticed a big problem that you have, bro. You only got 4 lug nuts.
Everything's tight, right?
Yeah.
You tied this side coilover.
Yeah.
Sway bar?
Yeah. Yeah, no, I do the same thing.
Look at Roman being such a sweetheart. Let's go and start cleaning up.
Me? What are you doing?
We're putting the stuff back.
You fixing the car? And your wife?
Huh?
You fixing the car, wife? For real?
For real.
Real. Oh, that's why. Can I help you?
Can you help me? No, it's okay.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine.
Dude, look at I got some new bench grinders and shit like that. Alright guys, well there you guys have it. This is pretty much the end of the vlog. We lowered the front for about 2 inches. Like legit 5 of my hands can fit in between earlier. And now I can barely fit 2. So that's a great. We're definitely gonna go ahead and lower this a bit more. The rears we didn't adjust at all, like how it was before with the coilovers. Well, I mean with the regular one, it is with the coilovers, same heights and everything. We will adjust that tomorrow. And of course you guys can see, amazing. We went ahead and done the axles as well. Perfect, awesome. A little bit of transmission fluid leak, but that's fine. I bought some transmission stuff, so we should be good. And that's about it. This is pretty much the end of the vlog. There goes Ramazan, his brand new Tundra. That's pretty nice, that Tundra, by the way. I think so. Maybe. Honestly, I don't know. But yeah, so that's the end of the vlog. I can't speak. Okay guys, so that's the end of the vlog. This is it for today. Hopefully soon we will be doing a lot more stuff. The next thing to do is definitely some new wheels, and that's about it. Like that's pretty much it for the look of the car. And then of course like aftermarket chips and tunes and maybe a turbo kit, maybe aftermarket, that's later. And maybe some new speakers and stuff. So guys, thank you guys very much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe, leave a comment on below. There's a lot of links and stuff to my other stuff, my Instagram, my Snapchat, to everybody else, Armani, Alik, Mukhamed, Romans, everybody stuff it down if you want to go ahead and follow them. Thank you guys very much for watching. I will see you guys on the next vlog.